guys, welcome back to my channel Game of Plays. So today I'm making this video with Learn with Ali about animals. Okay, so this is the first time he's featuring us in his channel and this is the second time I'm featuring him in my channel. Okay, so guys, today I'm just gonna tell you about the rabbits. And before that, I would like to tell you there's one rabbit and a bunny. Okay, definitely. So I decided to do about gaming and animals because gaming, okay, but animals good. Okay, so first let me introduce the rabbits to you guys. And okay, guys, the rabbits have gone around. Why not we'll skip the part and do about the rabbits in the end. So first thing I would like to introduce is the nibble. This nibble. Okay, it's like a unicorn. Okay. Okay, so this is good for the nibbling of the hairs. Okay, and these two balls are just for the playing of the rabbits. And I think this is for the biting. The biting to be good, right?
Good, you're biting, Tiffany.
And the other ball is like just to play. So then the rabbits, one has gone under the bed. I'll just show you Tiffany right now. Hey Lulu, show Tiffany.
He's just relaxing.
He's just showing the I love you sign.
Yeah.
Guys,
Good dad, tell hi.
punch, that means hi, Tiffany. Look, he punched. Good Tiffany. Hey guys. So here is what is it? Fluffy. Here is Fluffy. Come on, Fluffy. He's kind of high, isn't he? Fluffy's here. So now look at this. He's very nice. And now since Ali's a cameraman right now, I want him to introduce himself. So Ali, come in the video. Hey, use the
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been featuring, this is my first time featuring gamer plays in my channel and I hope you like them in my video. And guys, many of you must be liking gaming or loving gaming. So please follow his channel. He also might do horror games and he does many genres of horror games. So please follow his channel for many more updates and many videos. And also help him reach 100 subscribers and also
even help Ali reach 50 and 100. Guys, he was on 52 before. Guys, he's on 46 right now. So please help him.
I'm not poor. Okay guys, so I just need a few more subscribers and then I can earn money when I reach 100.
So guys, I wanted to even ask you guys in the comment section, tell what can be the name of my animal gamer channel. So Ali suggested animal gamer. My brother suggested zebra gamer.
Yeah.
So cute. If you can suggest any other names, please write in the comment section.
Yeah, please help
And if
him.
you like any of these two names which we both said,
Just
please
vote
leave
in the
vote
description. Vote in
Yeah.
the description for the name and Uma will choose the best out of all of them.
And
Yeah.
even Ali will. And if you guys comment within the first 24 hours of this video being made, your comments will be featured in the video.
Look what he's doing.
We are going to react to your comments. React. Okay, now we wanted to show you some accessories of rabbits which are used
Sure.
in cleaning them. So this is a grooming brush. You just groom them slowly like this. Like I groomed them today, but I just want to show you how you groom them very lightly, not so roughly. And you might be thinking how to clean them properly. You don't bathe them in water. You use wet wipes like Johnson's wet wipes or Dettol wet wipes. You can get them in your nearest mini mart or store or mall. You get them in many shops. And this is the best I use. This is Johnson's brand, and I use it for my rabbits especially, and it's very cool and refreshing for them.
The rabbits feel very freshy. And you know, now we're going to talk about the massage for the rabbits. So look at this guy. Rabbits always stay awake at this time. So if you want to do something to the rabbits like massage, Ali, please show them how to massage.
Okay, So right now Fluffy is not in the mood for massage.
But now,
we will
but
put the
if
chair.
we do like this on
put
its
the
head
chair.
and all, and what they say,
You can also do a cheek rub. Uma, show a cheek rub.
and like this you do, it feels nice and feels sleepy.
And they love cheek rubs and head
And guys,
rubs.
remember not to hold its ears like this, okay? If you hold it,
It pains a lot
yeah,
for
and
rabbits.
its ears can be damaged.
And soon your rabbit might die. Usually when butchers used to cut rabbits and slaughter them, in the past they used to hold them by the ears and slaughter them.
It's for urine.
Yeah, the rabbits do poop and
Yep,
urine.
they poop and do urine.
Tiffany.
Okay, so guys, now we are going to show Tiffany's and Fluffy's cage, okay? Hold on, we guys will show you the cage.
Bye.
Hey guys, now as you see, this is the cage. And now you see, it's kind of dark, so it won't be visible, but don't worry, we'll show you one time in the morning. Yeah, and you even need to have like a play area for them, for it to play and all. So as you see, this is its bed here, okay? So we Ali created this, so and now the rabbits are down there eating, as you can see, only Tiffany's eating Fluffy's now. This is its water sipper, and this is some kind of medicine for the rabbits, okay? Actually, it's not rabbit, it's a hare, okay?
And this is the potty tray.
And this is the hay and yeah, with the potty
Tray.
So like basically you put the poop in the litter tray so that they get to know that they should poop in the litter tray. So that's how it's done. If you have a rabbit,
just show you right now how they are in the cage. I'll give you a zoom in the cage. So let me just open the cage. Guys, yeah. So Ali, please take a clear shot. So these guys are in the cage right now. Not that visible.
not
Okay.
that visible, but you get the idea. That's how big the cage should be, and that's how they are living. They're quite happy in the cage. It's not like a cage, it's like a play area basically. We have made a whole play area in there. So this is their whole cage with all the equipments and all the things we have done. They feel happy in the cage. So in the next video, I will also
We'll
feature.
even tell you one fact about Fluffy, what he does in the cage. I mean Tiffany. Tiffany is very mischievous. If we carry him, he jumps off like that.
Yeah, he just jumps out of my
And he can
hand.
jump from here to the first floor. This is the first floor, which is up and down. No? This one is the ground floor. This is first and this is second. He can jump from the ground floor to first. Or introducing the cage as if it's a building. Madam, this is the first floor. This is the second floor. This is the third floor. No, this is ground floor, first floor, second floor. This is the base. So, guys, we'll end the video right now. If you want us to film a video again with Tiffany, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. And we will do a live stream also with Fluffy and Tiffany, okay?
Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.